Uh, Assalamu alaikum girls. In this video I'm going to explain you exercise number 6.3 and 6.4. Before I go for exercise number 6.3 and 6.4, first of all let's discuss what is simple equation, because in actually exercise number 6.3 is based on on a kind of equation where the radicals are involved, or we can say that it is an exercise of those equations where the radicals are given in the question. Before we go for the radical equation, first of all let's discuss simple equation. Or what is a simple equation? So if the sign of equality is involved in an open sentence, it is called a simple equation. In simple equation, let's discuss that what do we do with the given expression. In this example, I am explaining expression 2x plus 6 is equal to 20. Now, in the rule of equation, the operation of addition is changed by the operation of subtraction when you are changing the side of any one of the expression. If I want to transfer plus 6 from left to right, then plus 6 will change into minus 6. And why do we do this? Because in simple equation there is one variable which is unknown, and we have to give the value of that unknown variable. For that, first of all, we are working on those expressions which are indirectly connected with that unknown variable. As you see that 2 is directly connected with x, so that's why we start working on plus 6 first of all. So plus 6 is transferred from left to right. So it will become negative on the right side because we are changing the side of 6. 2x is equal 20 minus 6. Now after subtracting 6 from 20, now 2x is equal 14, and now you see that the other expression is which is indirectly connected with that unknown variable is solved. Now we work on 2. Now 2 is multiplying that unknown variable. So that's why we are finding the value of x by shifting 2 from left to right and from multiplication to division. Because 2 is multiplying x, so if I am going to change the side of 2, it will become in the denominator place. And as a result we get the value of 7. X, that is 7, and you see that this is how we solve any given simple equation. Now if this simple equation is containing either radical on both the side of equality or any one side of the equality, then see that how do we solve that kind of question. Suppose I am given with now you see that first of all I am giving example of myself, that is under radical 5x plus 10 is equal to 15. Now first of all we try to work on those expressions which are outside the radical. Now you see that we don't have anything outside the radical, then we direct remove the radical, and there is only one solution and there is only one way to remove the radical, that is to taking square on both the side of equation. taking square of both sides. Now by taking a square of both the sides, what will happen that this square is going to be cancelled with the index of this radical. As you see that nothing is given, it means there is 1 upon 2. So if I am going to remove this radical, that 1 upon 2 is cancelled with this 2. As a result, 5x plus 10 is left on the left side, and 15 the 225 on the right side. And then as we do in the simple equation, that we are transferring plus 10 from left to right. 225 minus 10, as a result 215 left on the right side. And then as you see that 5 is multiplying x to get the value of x, we are shifting 5 in the denominator place and see what cancellation we can perform here. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, and then 5 3s are 15. So it means that 5 is 43 times 215. Now the value of x is 43. Whether this is the correct value or wrong, we will go for the verification also. Okay, we do a verification in the simple equation as well as in the that kind of equation where the radical is involved, to see that the value of x is correct or wrong. For that we are working on the question once again. In verification, okay, now in verification actually we are putting the value of x in the place of x, and then we solve left side on the left side and see if there is possibility of some solution on the right side, then we also solve right side also. In verification we do not transfer any expression from left to right or from right to left. As we got 43 as the value of x, now by putting it, five multiplied by 43 is actually 215 plus 10. I'm going to solve first of all left side of the equation here. Now we are getting 225, and now to get the now again we work on the right side also. You see that 15 is already given on the right side. As you see that 225 is under the radical, so the root of 225 is what? 15. So we are getting the similar value on both the sides. It means that the value of x, that is 43, is correct. So the solution